So good afternoon everyone. So we're going to discuss about the installation of Windows ME or Millennium. So in here we just use the default settings. So in our default setting we just use the continue with the setup. We just use the FAT file system and to boot this much faster. So that's how So it's formatting the drive C. So let's wait for the formatting the drive C. So it is much faster, no? So after that, just gonna wait. So it needs some restarting. So after that, yan. Hintayin lang po natin yan. Just gonna take some time. So that's it. So after that, we're just gonna set up our user account, which is the administrator account. So just gonna add some Android Monforte for the username and the product key. And so it restart again. So after that, hintay lang natin po siya. And so it's loading. It's loading po. So this is gonna take a little bit of time. So just gonna wait this to load up. So that's it. So let's wait that. That's all. It is finally done. So I hope you learned something from this Windows installation of Millennium, and thank you for watching. So this is the final step for just gonna wait that, and tada, it is already done. Thank you so much for your patience, and goodbye.